In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your customer ID on HostGator. This identification number is important for managing your hosting services, so let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps together. First, to get started, you'll want to log into your HostGator customer portal. This is your central hub for all things related to your hosting account, so having easy access is crucial. If you haven't logged in recently, you'll need to use your registered email address and password. Make sure you input these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're having trouble remembering your password, HostGator provides an option to reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Once you've successfully logged in, look for your profile or account settings. This is generally found in the upper right-hand area of your dashboard, often represented by your name or an avatar icon. Clicking here will lead you to your account settings, where a range of information about your account can be accessed. This is often a hub of personal data and settings, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself with everything available. Within your profile or account section, you should see your customer ID displayed prominently. Typically, this number is easy to spot because it's considered essential information and often accompanies your main account details. HostGator aims to ensure this data is readily accessible to streamline the management of your hosting preferences and account verification processes. Now, in some instances, you might find that your customer ID isn't immediately visible on your dashboard. Not to worry, as there's another reliable method to locate it. You can check your billing emails. HostGator usually includes your customer ID in the email communications they send regarding your billing and account status. This is especially useful if, for any reason, you're unable to log into your portal, giving you alternative access to vital account information. And there you have it, a simple guide to locating your customer ID on HostGator. Remember, keeping track of this information is vital, as you'll need it for customer service assistance and when making changes to your account settings. If you're a frequent user of HostGator, keeping your customer ID in a secure, easily accessible place could prove helpful for future reference. Hopefully you found this guide useful and are now well equipped to find your HostGator customer ID whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful hosting tips.